Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the voice to a male in Google Translate. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. This is the step on how you can do it on an Android phone. So first, just open the Translate app or Google Translate app and tap onto your profile icon. So it should be available on the top right corner of your screen. And then next, tap on to your settings. So it is this right here as shown in the photo. And then under the voice section, just simply select the region and choose one according to your preferences. And on the iOS, what you can do is to launch the Google Translate app also, and then just tap onto the settings. And then at the bottom part, just select the speech region under the voice section and just select the language again and choose a different dialect for it available on the list. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can change the voice in Google Translate. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.